In today's show, I'm going to recommend you something unbelievably important. Another of my recommendations about natural remedies that you never heard about it and can help you a lot in many aspects of your life, especially if you have liver problems, kidney problems or gallbladder problems. In today's video, you're going to learn a lot about this plant. You will learn what are the perfect dosage that you can take each day. Also, at the end of the show, I'm going to recommend you what are the symptoms that you already have some kind of liver problems. That is going to be in my next video at the end of the show. Today, I'm going to recommend you something called Agrimonia Eupatoria. Agrimonia or common cockblower. Agrimonia Eupatoria is a species of agrimony, commonly known as common agrimony, common cockblower, or sticklewort. Common agrimony is a medicinal plant from the Rosaceae family. Habitat. It grows in sunny, dry places, along roadside and forests, on hillside slopes, near ruins and the spare forests. It grows up 70 centimeters on 1 meter in height. It has dark green color, covered with soft hairs. It blossoms from June to September with yellow flowers. The fruit in a nutlet with stirred hairs that can be attached to animal skin to further spread the plant. The flower spikes have spicy scent like apricots. In the language of flowers, agrimony signifies gratitude. The young leaves of the plant before the development of flowering stem are edible, and the tea can be prepared from the flowering plant. Agrimonia Eupatoria originates from Europe. It can be found in Tunisia, Algeria, Morocco and North Africa. It originally grows in Finland, France, Greece, Germany, Russia, Serbia, Slovakia, the United Kingdom, and Switzerland. And this is one of the plants that you never heard about it. And I was written also about this plant in my second book that is called Amazing Natural Remedies Part 1. In this book is very well written about this plant and about its medicinal purposes. What else you need to know about this plant? Medicinal purposes. Is astringent, diuretic, antispasmodic, relaxant, anti-allergic, anti-inflammatory action. Medicines based on this plant are used for the treat urinary system, kidneys, liver, central nervous system and the respiratory problems. This natural remedy has anti-allergic properties and has a mild sweet-sour taste. It helps individuals suffering from the stress, depression and the anxiety. Among the ailments that traditional medicine treats with this plant are diseases of digestive tract, liver, hepatitis and cirrhosis, gallbladder, rheumatism, sciatica, kidney and urinary tract diseases, stones and urinary incontinence, gynecology diseases, tumors, erosion, asthma and other lung diseases. Additionally, it can be used as a mild sedative because it has ability to calm down the nervous system and lower your blood pressure. You will not believe it. Unbelievably healthy plant and many these health benefits that is very well researched, and it is used for the hundreds years before. This plant helps remove kidney stones, urinary tract infection and prevents bedwetting during sleep. It contributes to better bladder and the liver function. Agrimonia Eupatoria is exceptional plant in the fighting throat and upper respiratory tract infection. It helps recover from the voice loss due to strain or inflammation by clearing muscles in the throat. Gargling with agrimony tea removes bacteria in the mouth and freshens breath. It also relieves diarrhea and soothes the stomach. Removes inflammation and wound on the surfaces, disinfects and aids the wound healing. Naturally, it promotes better lymphatic function and the bile flow. The same coagulant properties that make common agrimony a useful wound remedy also help women suffering from heavy menstrual bleeding. Common agrimony is also used in preventing diabetes, active compound of the plant that can control insulin in the blood. For the last 25 years after I finished college, I'm working with the patient from all around the world. My specialty is natural remedies, nutrition and physical therapy and rehabilitation. Every year I help thousands of people from all around the world. If you want to know how you can cure your diseases through natural remedies and a healthy lifestyle, call my office, Mariolab Center in Croatia at +385 98 9179 200. Feel free to contact us through Viber, WhatsApp, or visit my website mariolab.hr, where you can find many more information about my work and how I can help you. I have put my knowledge of natural remedies and nutrition in my 3 books. My 3 books is about nutrition. First one is Intermittent Fasting, The Secrets of Health and Longevity, and next 2 are about nutrition and the natural remedies that can help you a lot. The books are also available on English language on my website mariolab.hr. All information you have all below the video. My help is available to all of you from all around the world. If you are from North or South America, Africa, Asia, the Middle East, Australia, or Europe, take advantage of my private phone consultation. Call my Mariolab Center right now, make an appointment, and I will make sure for you to get better in natural way with any kind of side effects, as I've been doing for the last 25 years.